Doa mo Letila. Happy birthday. Hope all is going well with you today. And I hope Paul is treating you to the very best. Thank you for all that you do for us. And yes, and I hope you have a blessed day. Mwah.
Hey Letila, happy birthday from Bunda, Andy. Have a great day.
Hello. Happy birthday, Auntie Tila. Love you.
Hey, happy birthday. What are you, like 22 or something? Happy birthday, and I love you, and thank you so much for your love and sacrifice. Can't wait for our next tour. God bless you, and thinking about you today, and sending you so much love and prayers.
Happy birthday, Tila. You have a wonderful birthday today. Bye.
Happy birthday, Letila! Yee!
Happy birthday, Letila.
Happy birthday, Letila. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for all the amazing hard work that you do for the development arts and teaching, and for all the young artists that you love you so much. Maloma level.
Happy birthday, Auntie Letila!
Happy birthday.
Hi Letila, happy birthday.
From Wanaloa, Bowl Dancers, and Oceania, all the way in Lambasa.
Have a blessed day.
Happy birthday, Kala. Just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday today. Everyone has spoiled you with so much love and lots of food. I just wanted to say thank you so much for everything that you taught me and the team as well. Thank you for being such a great role model to everybody, and a good mother, not only to me but to the team as well. Wishing you all the best in everything that you do, and happy birthday. Much love, Letila. Bye.
Hola Letila, it's your birthday today, happy birthday. From all of us here at Skillz Studios, we wish you a joyful start to another new and creative year of life, and we thank you for being the hard-working, visionary, unique artist that you are. Thank you for taking so many of us along on that creative journey of yours. So all the best, Letila, and big love from everybody here at Skillz Studios.
Hi Tila and Paul and the whole family. Happy birthday Tila from the Sabaris. Two of our boys are where you are. And then of course we have a new addition. Happy birthday guys. I mean Tila especially. And enjoy the rest of your year. Bye.
Happy birthday Letila, a year younger today. May your creative spirit continue to shine and inspire those around you. Best wishes and big loloms from Malolo. Hololu.
Happy birthday, Auntie Letila. Hope you have a great day. Love and blessings from all of us. Aloha.
Happy birthday, Kazi. This is awesome. Wherever you are, sweetheart, all the best today and always. Happy and blessed birthday to you, and may your day be filled with laughter, happiness, and yeah.
Bula, bula, bula binaka. Last day here at the New Zealand Nationals, my friend Lali, and we wanted to wish Letila Mitchell a happy birthday, and we hope you have the greatest day today. Wishing you many more. Take care, God bless.
Happy birthday, Auntie Tila. We love you and all the very best for all your future endeavours, and love to the family. We miss you very much, and we're thinking of you, and we're with you in spirit in your birthday celebration. Love from me, Noah, Hansel, Cole, and the rest of the New Zealand family. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tila. Thank you for everything that you've done. Thank you for being amazing always. Hope you have a blessed day. Love from me. Bye.
Happy birthday, Letila. Hope that you have a wonderful day today from me and my family.
Hi, Tila. Happy birthday. And hope you're having a good one, spoiled by all the kids and Paul. And just wanted to say we love you and thank you so much for raising me and Yana together and introducing us to dance. And yes, happy birthday. Love you.
Okay, biggest love, Letila, on your birthday. I think, you're one of the people that inspire me and kind of gave me permission to do the artwork that I do. I think the work that you and Rako are doing is mad amazing. Biggest love from Suva where the sun is shining, and hopefully it'll stay for the rest of the day. Big love.
Happy birthday, Tila. Lots of love and blessings from the Holy Land.
Bula vinaka Letila. Au wakamuni vinaka ini wana nomini signisudu ke na klongata ni nomini matabuwa vinaka. I'd like to wish you a happy and a blessed and many more good, prosperous life to you, especially your beautiful. Klongata Letila, nakabalo.
Happy birthday, Tila. We love you.
Happy birthday, Letila.
Happy birthday, Letila.
Hope you have a great, amazing day. And
yeah, thank you for all that you do for Rako. Thank you for all that you do for us as artists as well. We hope you have an awesome day. Big love, hugs and kisses from us at USB and from Rako and Fiji as well. Hope to see you soon.
Hi Tila, wishing you happy birthday and may God continue to bless you. May peace, love and happiness be with you always. Sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tila. Happy birthday, Tila.
Happy birthday, Tila. Wishing you the best of days. Hope you have a good one. Much love and blessings for the year ahead. Hanua from me.
Hi Letila, just want to wish you happy birthday. God bless you. Much love from Adelaide. Mwah.
happy birthday, Tila.
Bye, Letila. Just wanted to wish you a wonderful and blessed day. Happy birthday.
Haoli lahanau Letila, happy birthday from your ohana in Hawaii. Love to Rako Pacifica. Ahui ho malama pono.
Hello, Wonder Woman. Happy birthday, Letila. Hope you're having a beautiful day with your big, extended, beautiful family. I'm really looking forward to next time our paths cross.
Happy birthday, Tila. Much love to you and the family. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tila. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Letila.
Happy birthday, Letila.
Hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless and lots of love from the Furibai family.
Hi.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to one amazing woman. We hope you have an amazing day and we love you very, very much. See you soon.
Happy birthday again. Goodbye.
Happy birthday, Letila. Happy birthday, Letila.
Hey Tila, happy birthday from me and my family. May God bless you on your special day and also wish you with plenty more birthdays to come. Anisio from me and Maxine, all along.
Hola Letila, just wishing you a happy birthday. We miss you. We look forward to seeing you in December. Francis and I are both at a conference, so we thought we'd send you a joint message. Merry has disappeared to be with Sadelpa today, so we can't get her, but here's Francis.
Hi Letila, happy birthday. Hope it's a wonderful day. I hope that the kids and the family spoil you rotten. You deserve it. Love you.
Okay, love it.
Well, I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for all you do for the Rotuma community. Enjoy your birthday and many blessings.
What's up? say hi and happy birthday. Hope you have an awesome time. Sorry we couldn't be there. Miss you very much, and the whole family, and Rako as well. I'm so proud of all that you guys have accomplished and all that you've done so far, and wish you all the success. And yeah, have an awesome day, and we love you so much. You guys say hi to the family. See ya.
Happy birthday, Auntie Tila. I miss you. I hope Uncle Paul cooks you so much stuff today. Hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, Auntie Tila. Love you. We all miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Letila. May your day be filled with peace, joy, and happiness, and may God continue to bless you and your family, and also give you many more years to come. Noah.
Happy birthday, Letila!
Happy birthday, Letila. Hope you enjoy your time with your family. From the gang, from me and Aki here at YouTube Studios. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Letila. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tila. Love from Nem and I and Sofa. Enjoy your day and many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Letila. Hope you're enjoying your day. Woo!
Happy birthday, Letila. Happy birthday, Letila.
Happy birthday, Tila. Many happy returns.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, Tila. Happy birthday, and God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Letila. All the best for today and cheers. Thank you for everything, and we wish you all the best. God bless you. God bless you.
Hi, I just want to wish you a happy birthday, Tila.
Happy birthday, Letila.
Wishing you all the best. Love from Fiji.
Wish you all the best. Love you from Fiji.
Happy birthday, Tila.
Man, we're already recording. Happy birthday, Tila.
Happy birthday.
Many blessings from us in Fiji.
Happy birthday, Tila. Happy 50th birthday.
That's Letila.
Happy birthday, Tila. Hope you enjoy your day, and we wish you all the best for another year of
life.
And take care. We hope we see you when you're around. God bless and love to the family. Bye.
Bye.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Letila. May the good Lord bless the road in front and keep it fresh. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tila. From me, besides work as well as the family. And thank you for everything. We appreciate you so much.
Hello, Letila. I'm wishing you a very happy birthday from Delphine, Shay, Sasheen, Preston, Sterling. We're here in Manduraba, North Stradbroke Island. I've loved that we've been able to cross paths in the last few years here on the island through the Quandamuka Festival, as well as at the Commonwealth Games. Earlier this year, Homegrown Festival in Sydney, and also the Festival of Pacific Arts in Guam. We all wish you a wonderful day, happy birthday, and love to you and your family.
Happy birthday,
Letila.
I really wanna see ya. Wanna come over and have a cup of tea with a little bit of cake. Come and sit down on your birthday and shake, 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 shake.